now let's get into one of the most important class, that is about color theory. You know what, when I was a beginner, I would always think what is the importance of this color wheel and why are we paying so much of attention into color mixing and everything. But trust me, over the years I have realized how important it is to know about your colors and the mediums you're using. So for example, if you want to create a specific shade, how would you do that? You know, you have to get into the habit of color mixing and creating the right shades for your paintings. At the same time, when you create your originals, you would want the right color combinations to make your painting as beautiful, and you know, the cohesiveness of the entire painting should come out. So that's only going to happen if you know about your colors. So let me just make this very simple and easy for you and explain this to you in detail. So these are the basic primary colors, that is blue, red and yellow. These are the colors that cannot be made by mixing any other color. So that's the reason they are called as primary colors. And these two colors, which is the black color and white, they come under the neutral color category. So let me quickly go ahead and show you a small demonstration of how you can easily blend and mix colors to create variety of colors just by using these basic primary colors. I'm mixing these two primary colors together, that is blue and yellow, and the moment I keep blending them and mix it, I create this kind of beautiful green, and now this green color will be called as a secondary color. Why? Because this was made by mixing two primary colors. That is so simple and easy. That's the reason why it is called a secondary color. And now let's go ahead and mix other shades as well. Like if we mix yellow and red, we can easily create an orange color. And this orange would now be a secondary color. So now you know the reason why. Because we mixed two primary colors to create this shade, and likewise I mixed red and blue and I got this beautiful shade of violet. How amazing it is that just by mixing these primary colors, we can get these secondary colors. We just don't have these limited colors and shades. We have to understand a lot of other things. So let me explain everything to you about color theory. This is a color wheel which is divided into 12 parts. As I shared with you earlier, that red, yellow and blue are called the primary colors. And when we mix two primary colors, we get secondary colors. So that's the reason when we mix this red and yellow, we got this orange color. And in the same manner, when we mix blue and yellow, we got green color. And when we mixed red and blue, we got this violet shade. So all these colors are called the secondary colors. And now moving on to the tertiary colors. These are the colors formed by mixing a primary and a secondary color. That's why the hue is a two-word name. Such as when we mix this red and orange, we got this red-orange color, where hue literally means color. Green, orange, yellow, any other color that you see, each of this is a hue. Let's go ahead and see other tertiary colors. So when I'm going to be mixing orange and yellow, we are going to be getting yellow-orange. Yellow and green, we'll get yellow-green color. On mixing green and blue, we get blue-green color. On mixing blue and violet, we get blue-violet color. On mixing violet and red, we get red-violet color. These bright colors are called as warm colors. They are vivid and energetic. They remind us of fire and heat. And on the other side, these are called the cool colors. They give an impression of calm and remind us of cold water. Alright, now let's also learn about color scheme. Basically, it's a set of colors that work well together and create a cohesive and eye-pleasing color combination. To begin with, let's know about complementary color scheme. Then complementary colors are opposite from each other on the color wheel. As you can notice here that red and green are opposite to each other, hence they come under the complementary color scheme. And now moving on to split complementary. Then basically these are the colors which are present on the opposite to complementary color. Base color plus two colors opposite to complementary color, which is green blue and yellow green. So these are split complementary colors. And analogous colors are neighbors on the color wheel. As you can notice here, all these colors are placed around each other in the color wheel. Hence, they'll come under the analogous color scheme. And now let's also learn the difference between tint, tone and shade. A tint describes a color that is made by mixing with white. A shade describes a color that is mixed with black. A tone describes a color that is made by mixing with grey. Monochromatic is a color with its tints and shades. Tints are colors made by mixing white. Shades are the colors made by mixing it with black. I hope you enjoyed watching the colors and learning more about color theory today with me, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.